Okay, so these are the materials I'll be needing for my design. Okay, tape measure, bias, scissors, tailor's chalk, and then my fabric. Okay, I'll then fold my fabric into two. I'll get a piece of fabric, fold it into two, and then I'll measure the base area about 2 inches. Okay, so I'll then go ahead and then secure with a pin. Okay, so I will then raise it up about 4.5 inches. Okay, so I'll mark my 4.5 and then mark where it starts from as well. Okay, so I will then draw my curvy line to connect the 2 inches this way. Okay, so I'll cut out, and after cutting out, I'll then have one skew. Okay, great. So this is what I'll be having after cutting out. The next thing to do is to cut about 6 pieces of this. Okay, so this is what I'll be having after cutting out the 6 pieces. Yes. Okay, so the next thing to do is to go ahead and then use my 1/2 inch bias to bind the edges of each skew created. I'll bind it this way all round to the end, and then bind the other one as well. So I'll be doing this to all the 6 pieces I cut out. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing. I'll then place it on it and then stitch about 1/4 inch. About 1/4 all round. Afterwards, I will turn it onto the right side and then stitch on it as well. Okay, so after stitching on it and then turning to the right side, I then folded in about 1/4 inch and then folded it again. Yes, I want my bias to be very thin on it. I don't want to use all the 1/2 inch showing on my skew. Okay, I'll then stitch along my folded bias. While stitching, I'll then dress it to get a perfect job. Okay, so I'll be doing this on all the 6 pieces I cut out. I'll then fold it in again to get a very thin bias on my fabric pieces. I'll then go ahead and then stitch along. Okay, so after stitching along, I will then place all my 6 pieces that are bind at the edges. I will then place it on the table and then arrange it in the shape that I want. Okay, so these are my 6 pieces skew created. Okay, so the next thing to do is to go ahead and then arrange it in any design that I want. I'll then place one down, place another on it, place one in the middle, yes, place one at the side to cover the first one's base. Okay, then I'll place another, then the last one in the middle. Okay, this is what I'll be having after arranging it. I'll then secure with my pins to make sure it's well arranged before doing a permanent securing. Okay, I will secure both sides. Okay, I will then go ahead and do my permanent securing by using my glue. The glue I prefer using is E7000. I'm not trying to advertise the glue though, but that's the glue I use. It's very strong as well. Okay, I'll then spread it at each petals or each scale just to make sure it's really attached to the one under. Okay, so after gluing to secure it permanently, I will then cut out my trimmings or my applique just to finish the hem of my petals or my scale. Afterwards, my scale is ready or my petal design is ready. Please, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. And if you are done watching the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and then comment in the comment section. Okay, so let me place it on my dress to see how it looks like. Okay, so this is what I'll be having. I'll then place my applique at the base of the scale this way and then secure it with a pin. Okay, so this is what I'll be having after adding my applique. See you all in our next video. Bye.